If you need to pass a drug test for work or legal reasons, it's essential to understand how different tests like urine, hair follicle, and saliva test work and how long drugs remain detectable in your system. Urine tests are the most common, often requiring a sample with possible observation. Be aware that certain medications can lead to false positives, so it's wise to list all medications for your employer. To ensure a negative result, the best strategy is to abstain from drug use, particularly if you anticipate testing. Avoid attempts to spike or dilute your sample, as these methods are detectable and can lead to automatic failure. Instead, aim to be well hydrated, provide a sample after urinating earlier in the day, and refrain from using your first morning urine, which is likely to have a higher concentration of drugs. Remember, substituting your sample is illegal in many states, so it's best to approach your drug test honestly.